Last week, the Mudd Math Department hosted its annual Michael E. Moody Lecture. Ty Danae Bradley, a research mathematician and professor, spoke about category theory and how it provides a framework that unites many concepts, including new ways to think about AI and large language models like ChatGPT. The Math Department created this lecture series to honor Michael E. Moody, who was chair of the department from 1996 to 2002. Moody started an evening lecture series that brought speakers to the college who illuminated the wonder and applicability of mathematics. Hundreds of students attended. The lecture series, in Moody's name since 2010, continues this tradition. Topics have included the mathematics of internet search engines, March Madness brackets, tumor modeling, biological design, analyzing social inequality, as well as fractal images, rope tricks, and origami. The Moody Lectures are an example of our math department's unique approach. One of the department's top goals is to inspire an affection for math, to invite students into a joyful experience of mathematics in which they come to appreciate its beauty, fun, and power. The department does this through engaging and creative coursework, research experiences with students, and outstanding faculty, a truly remarkable set of active teacher scholars involved in leadership at the local and national level. The department garnered national recognition in 2006 when they won the American Mathematical Society's inaugural award for an exemplary program or achievement in a mathematics department. The award speaks of the dedication, passion, and creativity of the entire math department, both then and now, as they continue to cultivate a thriving community where students develop deep mathematical understanding, as well as a sense of belonging and excitement in their field.